Exercise 2. Making an appointment. You will hear a dialogue on the telephone between a secretary and a person who is making an appointment to see someone. As you listen, make notes below. Please write the name of the person, the day, the time, and the telephone number. Dialogue 1.
Hello, Mr. Watson's secretary. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to make an appointment to see Mr. Watson next Monday, please.
Who's speaking, please?
Richard Priest.
Yes, Mr. Priest. Monday is all right. Would 10:15 be convenient?
Thank you. That'll be fine.
Oh, would you leave your telephone number, please, just in case we need it?
My telephone number is 421-7896.
421-7896. Thank you, Mr. Priest.
Dialogue 2.
Good morning, Dr. Jenkinson's secretary. Can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor on Friday, please.
Who is speaking, please?
Rita Harper.
Thank you. Is 2:40 any good?
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Harper, could you leave your telephone number, please?
Yes, of course. My telephone number is 563-2860.
563-2860. Thank you, Mrs. Harper. Dialogue 3. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to see Professor Hanson on Tuesday, please.
Who is speaking?
David Bell.
Yes, would 3:30 be convenient?
That would be fine. Many thanks.
Mr. Bell, would you leave your telephone number, please?
Yes, my number is 859-7783.
859-7783. Thank you.